That one does not work. This is the key for that. We have two different locks for this unit. Tubular locks you'll find a lot on elevator keys. Tubular impressioning kit. There's a 7-pin. This is a 7.8. This is a standard American size. 7-pin tubular lock. Push your needles forward. Make sure your O-rings are up first. Push your springs up forward. Flatten your springs on a flat surface. Your needles on a flat surface, sorry. Insert like a key. As flat as you can, insert and slightly rotate. You've just made a key for a tubular lock. Come down to this one. Tubular impressioning kit. Very helpful. You guys might find it useful in the fire service. I do building maintenance. I'm a firefighter EMT as well.